Oh man. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, I finally got the spark plugs for the Mazda 323 after 3 weeks. I got it from Super Cheap Autos. So these are the spark plugs. They are platinum spark plugs. So this is how the new platinum spark plug looks like. It's from Bosch. The 4 of them cost me just $28 from Super Cheap Autos. You need a spark plug socket. It's a 16mm magnetic socket which I got from Repco. I'm not sure how much it cost. I think it was $12. And then you'll need an extension rod and a socket wrench as well. So yeah, so let's do the DIY now. First we need to remove the 4 spark plug socket. 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. You just have to pull it and it will come out.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute.
There you can see the spark plug in there. So we need to get the spark plugs out. So for that we'll just connect the extension rod like so, and then the spark plug socket. It's better to remove this and move this out of the way as well. So I think you just need to remove this bolt from here. So just use a 10mm socket to remove this bolt. There is a second 10mm bolt which you need to remove from here as well. Finally loosen this clamp so the hose becomes free and the whole air intake can come out. So now it's time to get these spark plugs out.
Right down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Just the second spark plug has an issue. It's actually pretty tight. Not sure why it's so tight. Maybe it's cross-threaded inside. So I got all the 4 spark plugs out and it doesn't look that bad. It's from a brand called Champion, which is pretty cheap. We'll chuck this away. We'll be installing the new spark plugs, and these are the platinum spark plugs from Bosch.
Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memory.
It's quite tight now, and we just go a quarter turn after fully tightening it. Yeah, that's it. That should be it. Don't over tighten it.
That we'll make it tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just know.
So all the spark plugs are in. So now we'll fit the spark plug socket back in place. We'll install the air filter box and we'll try starting the engine.
Staying on the move, I'll go all night. If that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take
So we're going to start the engine, fingers crossed. I'm not sure if the new spark plugs fix the issue, but it's 11 degrees Celsius right now. It's fairly cold in the morning. Oh, it's not starting. I don't think it was the spark plugs.